Guys, number 2 here, finding the area of the blue section. So it looks like somebody cut a snowman out of this blue construction paper. And we want to know how much we have left of the paper in area. So my strategy for problems like this is to take the big rectangle that kind of encompasses the whole shape, and then subtract the head minus the midsection minus the body. That's kind of how I want to set this up. So my rectangle is 3 plus 6, which is 9. Plus 9 is 18. 18 plus 12, this whole section right here is 30 tall by 18. And 30 times 18, when I multiply those two numbers, gives me the area of my big rectangle, which is 540 square inches. So 540 inches squared. Now let's take away all of these circle sizes. So we got the small one, we got the medium sized one, and then we got the big one. So let's go through and let's find these areas. So let's start with this one. We'll throw it out over here, work it out over here. It says that this distance is 6. So that's telling me diameter is 6. This one has a diameter of 9, and this one has a diameter of 12. So let's start with the one that has a diameter of 6. So I'm going to make a little area chart over here. Alright, so my area chart is going to have radius, diameter, radius squared, and area. So the radius is not given. They're giving me diameters. I've got a 6, I've got a 9, and I've got a 12 sized circle. Okay, small, big, biggest. And if the radius is half the diameter, these are 3, 4.5, and 6. And the radius squared for this one would be 9. 4.5 times 4.5, you might have to get a little assistance there. It's not as easy to do mentally as the others. So it has a square value of 20 1/4. So 20 1/4. And then this one here, 6 times 6 is 36. Now, to get the answer for the area, we have to multiply these by pi, but it says express your answer in terms of pi. So 9 times pi, but leaving pi involved, is 9 pi. 20 1/4 times pi is 20 1/4 pi. And then 36 times pi is 36 pi. So we have all of those. So the small circle is 9 pi, and the medium sized is 20 1/4 pi, and the big one is 36 pi. The nice thing about having all these in terms of pi is that we can actually combine them together. So we can add 9 plus 20 1/4 and 36. Well, 9 plus 36 gives me 45. Plus 20 is 65 1/4. So this is 65 1/4 pi. When we combine them all together, we take it away from 540. And this is actually the best we can do for our answer. We can't subtract these until we've plugged in pi. So there's our answer. In terms of pi, that is the area of that shape in inches squared. And that's number 2.